At BMW's Regensburg facility, the future of automotive production is already in motion. What began as a pilot project has now become a fully integrated system, where freshly built BMWs move across the plant, entirely on their own. No drivers, no onboard sensors, just cutting-edge technology guiding every move. The secret lies in an intelligent network of LIDAR-based detection units placed along the route. These external sensors scan the environment in real time, mapping out every detail, from stationary objects to sudden obstacles. Connected to the cloud, a centralized control system communicates with each vehicle, precisely directing its path through factory gates and into the trailer yard. It's more than automation, it's orchestration. For the first time, this self-driving capability extends beyond indoor assembly lines to outdoor areas, where conditions like sunlight, rain, or wet roads pose new challenges. BMW engineers adapted the system with light-sensitive components designed to perform reliably in any weather or lighting. Safety remains the top priority. Each vehicle uses flashing lights to indicate autonomous operation and can come to a full stop within milliseconds if something crosses its path. Certified by TÜV, the system meets rigorous safety and performance standards. And this is just the beginning. BMW is scaling the technology to more global facilities, including the all-new plant in Debrecen, Hungary, pushing boundaries toward a smarter, more connected future of production. This is the next generation of manufacturing, and it's already here.